Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
How does a mechanic diagnose code P0484? When an OBDI scanner detects the P0484 code, a technician should begin by inspecting all wiring and other electrical components. After repairing or replacing damaged, loose, corroded or otherwise unusable components, it's important to clear the code from the PCM and retest the system. If the code does not return, the mechanic has diagnosed an electrical problem causing code P0484. If the code returns, the next step is to perform a voltage and ground test on the cooling fan motor and cooling fan relay. In addition, the system fuses should be tested for the correct voltage. If any of these parts give a reading that doesn't match the manufacturer's specifications, then that part is likely to be at fault and should be replaced. The next step, if these parts are not faulty, is to diagnose the sensors that supply the ECM with the data it needs to operate the cooling fan. These include the intake air temperature sensor, the AC coolant pressure sensor, the vehicle speed sensor and the engine coolant temperature sensor. Throughout the diagnostic process, the code must be cleared and the system reanalyzed after each repair attempt. This process ensures that no unnecessary repairs are carried out. Common errors when diagnosing code P0484. Most often, technicians find that a cooling fan motor has been replaced by mistake, when in fact the cooling fan relay was responsible. Cooling fan relays are frequently recalled, so it's important to consider both sides when diagnosing code P0484. How serious is code P0484? If code P0484 is detected, the vehicle must be repaired immediately. Although no symptoms may be observed, an engine that can't properly monitor engine temperature will probably need more expensive repairs later if the problem isn't fixed early. What repairs can fix code P0484? To repair code P0484, the mechanic can try one of the following actions: replace a faulty cooling fan motor, replace a faulty cooling fan relay.